It's me, Caileigh, and welcome to Caileigh and Callie's vlog 6. And for today, we're gonna make a unicorn slime. Daddy bought that for us. So let's make the unicorn slime. First, we need the bowl, spatula, and the box. And here are the things that we need. Wash up. These are the ELMER'S glue. That's the activator, guys. ELMER'S glue washable color glue. It's pink. And this one is violet. And this one is blue. First, put the pink. The activator, Callie. That's not water. So beautiful. It's making fun sounds. Guys, first we need to make the pink slime until the end. Let's put a little activator to go down. Let's just mix it. It's like it's transformed into the slime. It's looking great. Let's put a bit. Let's keep stirring. Mix and stir. Callie, no. You have slime in your hands now. It's slimy. Mix and stir. Mix and stir. Guys, it's really almost done and done. Now let's do the other one. Maybe the purple. Purple. It's your time to shine, purple. That's alright. Let's mix it. That's not. No, it's not yours. Guys, let's keep mixing. Alice, mixing. It's not water. How much times I'll say it's not water, it's activator. Mommy, it's That's not. That's my cousin. That's just how much more. I'll stop that. It's splashing on my face. Yuck. That's disgusting. Let's keep it. Guys, it's turning out great. Here. Wow. It's turning out good. Good. It's really good. 1, 2, 3. Balls. masterpiece. 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 It's a masterpiece. And Mommy, it's Papa's strawberries. Daddy. It's turning out good. It's turning into slime. It's turning into slime too. This is the purple one. Whoa. And this is done, guys. The color is not yet prepared, but we need to put it in the bowl. Callie, don't do noise. No. What's that? It's not like that. Now guys, let's put the activator.
Louder.
You need a bar. Fix it. Wow, it's so great. Slime na siya. It's just the vinegar. The slimes are done. Here is the pink. The pink turned out great. The purple and the blue. Now we just need to put them all together to make the unicorn slime. And guys, I'm done doing to do it like that. And then let's roll it. Guys, it's turning out great. Wow! It's unicorn slime now. Oh guys, I forgot to tell you. Please subscribe and click the bell button. Bye bye!